Transferring Ticketmaster tickets through Apple Wallet is a straightforward process with two main methods. Understanding these steps and recent updates ensures a smooth transfer experience. There are two primary methods for transferring tickets. Method 1 uses the Ticketmaster app directly, while Method 2 works through Apple Wallet's sharing features. Method 1 starts by opening your Ticketmaster app and navigating to My Events. Select the event you wish to transfer tickets from, then tap the Transfer Tickets option as shown here. Next, enter the recipient's email address or phone number. After entering this information, you'll complete the transfer process, which includes a security verification step to ensure the transfer is legitimate. Method 2 works directly through Apple Wallet. Open your Apple Wallet app and locate the Ticketmaster ticket. Tap the Share button, which appears as 3 dots in the menu. Choose your preferred sharing method from the available options: AirDrop for nearby devices, Messages for text sharing, or email for traditional email transfer. The recipient must then accept the transfer within their Ticketmaster account to complete the process successfully. Keep in mind several important considerations when transferring tickets. Many events now have specific transfer deadlines, typically 72 hours before the event starts. Transfer restrictions may apply to dynamically priced tickets to prevent scalping. Security verification is required, and both sender and recipient will receive notifications throughout the process. Both transfer methods are secure and efficient. Choose the Ticketmaster app method for direct control, or use Apple Wallet sharing for quick transfers to nearby contacts. To ensure successful ticket transfers, follow these essential best practices that will save you time and prevent common issues. Always verify the recipient's email address or phone number before initiating the transfer. A simple typo can send your tickets to the wrong person. Communication is key. Let the recipient know you're sending tickets so they can watch for the transfer notification and accept it promptly. Even with best practices, issues can occur. Here are the most common problems and their solutions. If the deadline has passed, don't panic. Contact Ticketmaster customer service immediately for emergency transfer assistance. For technical errors, the classic solution often works best. Force close and restart both the Ticketmaster app and Apple Wallet. For optimal performance, ensure your device meets these technical requirements for seamless ticket transfers. Keep your Ticketmaster app updated to access the latest security features and transfer improvements. A stable internet connection is crucial for real-time verification during the transfer process. Modern ticket security uses advanced encryption to prevent fraud and ensure your tickets remain secure throughout the transfer process. The integration between Ticketmaster and Apple Wallet has resulted in 60% faster transfer completion times compared to traditional email methods.